Hey guys, welcome back to Ask an Engineer. This week, a customer reached out asking, is there anything different I should know when incorporating gaskets and sheet metal enclosures versus CNC machined enclosures? There's no different design considerations when including gasket and CNC versus sheet metal enclosures. As you can see, your only real consideration is the width, length of the gasket as well as the mounting holes where the two parts will be mounted together. Here's an example of a die-cast enclosure that has a gasket along the top of it. You can see the only consideration to take is the width, where the mounting holes are, and the length. Here we can see the difference between a die-cast enclosure with and without a gasket. You can see with the gasket, it creates a much better seal once the cover is fully assembled. And without a gasket, you can see there's a gap where airflow and water can get in. So basically, there's no different design considerations when using gaskets and CNC enclosures and sheet metal enclosures. Hopefully that answered your question. I hope you guys have a great day, and don't forget to like and subscribe for the next video. Thank you.